getting hit with an unexpected tax bill? That's a mood killer for sure. But no worries, we've got your back. Welcome back to Finance Homefront. Bev here. And today, we'll check out these 12 simple moves to chop down your tax bills and keep your money where it belongs, in your wallet. Now, fair warning, you might need to get into the nitty-gritty of itemization instead of sticking to the standard deduction for some of these strategies. But trust us, a little extra effort could mean big savings. So stick around, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Your support keeps our community thriving. Now, let's tackle those taxes together. 12. Tweak your W-4. The W-4 is a note to your boss about how much tax should come out of your paycheck. If you got a big tax bill last time, tell your employer to take more tax from each paycheck. This way, you won't have a surprise tax bill next year. If you got a hefty refund, do the opposite. Tell your employer to take less tax so you have more money in your pocket each payday. You can make this change anytime you want. 11. Learn more about your 401k. A 401k is like a secret weapon against taxes. You can stash up to $22,500 a year in it. And if you're over 50, you can put in an extra $7,500. It's like telling the tax man, you can't touch this money. Many jobs offer 401ks, but if you work for yourself, you can get one too. Plus, if your boss chips in some money, that's like getting free cash. 10. Look into an IRA. IRAs are like magic boxes that can lower your taxes. There are two types, Roth and traditional. With the traditional IRA, you might be able to subtract your contributions from your taxes, but it depends on your job and how much you make. In 2024, you can put in up to $6,500 a year or $7,500 if you're over 50. You can even fund it until the tax deadline, giving you more time to be tax savvy. 9. Save for college. If you're saving up for your kids' college, there's a trick to get a tax break. Use a 529 plan, like a special savings account. You won't get a tax break from your federal taxes, but some states give you a high five for using their 529 plan. Just watch out. If your contributions go over $17,000 in 2024, there might be some extra taxes. So it's like a tax discount for thinking ahead about college costs. 8. Fund your FSA. Imagine having a special savings account just for your health. That's what an FSA is. The IRS says you can put money from your paycheck into this account. And the cool part is, it's like a magic trick. No taxes. For the year 2024, you can put up to $3,050 in this account. But here's the catch. You have to spend that money on doctor visits, dental stuff, and other health things in that same year. Some things like bandages, pregnancy tests, and even acupuncture might count too. Some bosses even let you keep some leftover money for the next year. 7. Subsidize your dependent care FSA. This one's like a secret weapon for parents. If your boss has something called a dependent care FSA, it's like having a superhero sidekick to fight taxes. For the tax year 2024, the IRS says you can tell your boss to put up to $5,000 of your pay into this account. Guess what? No taxes on that money. It's like a special treat for parents because you can use that money for things like before and after school care, daycare, preschool, and even day camps. If you take care of your parents or other older family members, it might work for them too. But remember, what's covered can be a bit different for each boss, so check the rules. A lot similar to finding hidden treasure in your paycheck. 6. Rock your HSA. Imagine having a special health savings account that's like a lifesaver for your medical bills. It's called an HSA. If you have a high deductible health plan, you can put money into this account. And you guessed it, it's like a tax-free zone. You can deduct the money you put in from your taxes. And when you take it out to pay for doctor visits or medicine, no taxes. For the year 2024, if you have a plan just for you, you can put up to $4,150. But if it's your whole family, the limit is $7,750. And if you're 55 or older, you can add an extra $1,000. Your boss might offer you one, or you can start your own at a bank. 5. See if you're eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC. Let's talk about a special bonus called the Earned Income Tax Credit. It's like a prize for working hard and not making too much money. If you think you'll earn less than $63,698 in 2024, you might get this prize. How much? Well, it depends on things like how much you make, if you're married, and if you have kids. But it could be almost $7,500. And the best part? It's like real money that can come back to you, even if your tax bill is zero. 4. Give it away. Imagine being a superhero who helps others and gets a tax break. That's what happens when you give things to charity. If you've given clothes, food, or other stuff to a real charity, you can lower your tax bill. For the year 2024, you might be able to deduct 20 to 60% of your income for charity, but only if you keep track of everything. Even old sports gear can count. Just make sure you have a receipt. 3. Keep a file of your medical expenses. Imagine a treasure chest filled with receipts. If you've been to the hospital or had big medical bills, keep those receipts safe. For the year 2024, you can deduct medical expenses that are more than 7.5% of your income. So if you made $40,000, anything beyond the first $3,000 of your medical bills could be deductible. Keep those receipts safe, and they might turn into money you don't have to pay taxes on. 2. Consider selling those dogs weighing down your portfolio. Imagine having a bunch of tags that aren't doing well. You could actually get a tax break by selling them. If you sell a stock for less than you bought it, it's like a magic trick that reduces your taxes. You can use those losses to offset any gains you made. The limit is $3,000, but it's better than nothing. Just remember, don't sell a stock just for taxes. Make sure it's the right move for your wallet. 1. Get the timing right. Imagine having a special calendar for saving money on taxes. The trick is to do things before December 31. For example, if you know you can deduct something from your taxes and you can pay for it in December instead of January, do it. It's like getting an extra month of deductions. Paying January's bills in December could save you money. It's like a little game of timing to keep more money in your pocket. And with that, you've just unlocked the secrets to lowering your tax bill in 2024. By mastering these 12 easy moves, you're on your way to keeping more money in your pocket. From tweaking your W-4 to exploring the wonders of HSAs, you've gained valuable insights to make tax season a breeze. Now, here's a thought to think about. Which tax-saving strategy are you most excited to try in the coming year? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's build a community of smart money managers. Just to remind you, none of what we discussed today is financial advice. We're not your financial gurus, just your friendly guides. We recommend you do your own research or chat with a pro before making major financial moves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to support us by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.